Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to solve this equation using the formula that is already in the video itself. And so notice that we have A is the number in front of x squared, the coefficient of x squared. B is the coefficient of x, meaning the number in front of x, and C is the constant. And that's how I will approach. So now I know the value of A, 7, B, 12, C, 4. So I am going to substitute into the formula. So therefore, x will be equals to negative B. Notice, I usually use a bracket when I substitute the values. And this is a square minus 4AC. And the whole thing over my 2A. After which, it is actually a good practice to just simplify it. This will be my negative 12 plus minus the square root of 32 divided by 2 times 7 is 14. And now, at this point, right, it is important for us to see that there is two answers. One is plus the square root, one is minus the square root. So you will see me writing this down. And so the next step that you will see me writing would be, there are two possible answers. One is negative 12 plus square root 32 divided by 14. The other answer is negative 12, I minus the square root 32 and I divide by 14. And therefore, I will have two possible answers. So this will give me negative 0.45308 to 5 significant figure first before you write down the 3 significant figure answer. And the other side will give me a value of negative 1.2612 sig fig followed by 3 sig fig. And we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.